Matt Walden is a Bradenton-born singer-songwriter whose original single and album climbed the iTunes chart in 2015. I'll bet you've heard him. And he's played prominent places all over the country. And today he joins us in Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away, Matt.
When I was just 16, I had some really big dreams. I used to stay up all night till the morning light, just plotting my schemes. No one believed in me, but now that there was something unseen, yeah. If you work hard enough for something, then your if onlys turn into those dreams now. Well, it's sad how it goes when I listen to the radio, or happen to put morals in the music today. Only sing about sex and drugs, man, it's such a shame. But they say I need to sell out to make it hit. But watch me top these charts and make it big. I was nothing from the start, now look at this. Whoa, oh, now hey, hey, hey. Cause I'm gonna be someone. Cause I'm gonna be someone. Hey, hey, hey. I'm gonna be someone. I'm not in it for the money. I'm not in it for the game. Just here to make a difference and tell you we're the same. This music on the radio gets inside your brain, driving you insane. Nod your head to the bass like hey, hey, hey. Cause I'm gonna be someone. Cause I'm gonna be someone. Hey, hey, hey. I'm gonna be someone. Oh. Be someone. Oh, na 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 na. Whoa, hey.
You are great.
Yeah, that's
Matt
awesome.
Walden from Bradenton. Tell us about your next show.
Okay, so October 1st, I have a show called the Hometown Show coming, and it's going to be, I don't want to say it's going to be incredible,
It's
but
gonna be
humbly,
incredible.
humbly it's
Incredible.
going to
We'll
be,
say that
it's going
for
to
you.
be the most produced show that we've done, so it'll be awesome.
You were a big hit on iTunes, weren't you?
Yeah, recently I've had some success through there. It's been really fun.
And I have a quick question.
bet.
You recorded that rhythm, right,
Yeah.
live, and then we're playing it back throughout the songs? Is that what
Yeah.
you were doing?
so Yeah. much.
Because you were, he had things going with his feet here
This
and all
guy
sorts
is
of things.
high-tech and extremely talented. You just toured the U.S.?
I did. Just got off my first headlining tour.
How was it?
Is the best experience of my life.
Oh,
congratulations.
hey, we've got to see this show. It's going to be October 1st, right? And it is at the Loft at the Church of Bradenton. Same day, you've got a new single coming out?
Yeah, that one's called Breathe. It's going to
Breathe.
be free all over the internet. So.
Oh, we've got to do that.
thanks.
MattWaldenMusic.com. Coming up next, we're going to see a new boutique is going to tell us some great things that we will want to wear and own.
All right, we're going to play a little more. We want to hear more.
Cause I was sitting around coming up with something new when a girl like you came into my life.